What's up mga kalagray? Welcome back to our channel.
The trap is sprung.
For today's video, this video is very special kasi we've been doing this build for a quite while until natapos natin itong build na to. So first off, this is a Honda Steed 400. So pag deliver ng client natin, by the way, ang client natin is also from Cagayan de Oro City lang. So paghatid niya sa bike niya, we checked the bike. So it was in no running condition. So walang-wala talaga, pati yung engine, chassis, puno ng kalawang, fork, sira, lahat. Literally sira, pati yung tires and rims. So this is more of like a resto mod project. So ni-restore natin and then minodify natin. So for this video, ang gagawin natin is i-feature namin yung mga parts na kinabit natin and mga kinustom natin. Start tayo sa tank. So this is a Sportster tank for Harley, but this tank is built for Steed. That's why yung mga brackets niya is perfectly fit sa stock brackets ng Honda Steed. So ayun, tas custom paint job natin, silver as requested by the client, and then pin stripping. And then dito sa seat, custom lahat, pati yung seat pan, pati yung upholstery and shape as requested din by the client. And dito tayo sa handlebar and sa risers. So nagkabit tayo ng 2-inch riser dito, and then drag bar, handlebar which is 25mm, and mga levers niya brand new na din, pati yung mga switch, and aluminum na handle grip. Yan. And dito sa harapan, we'll put a high quality headlight. Yan, it's very sturdy. Tas dito tayo sa shocks, front forks. Sira tong forks na to, so ni-repair natin and ni-restore. So ayun. Then dito naman sa rims and tires, kinabit natin 15-inch. As I can remember, I think 40 holes ata. So discarded na namin yon kung paano natin kinabit yung stock hub niya ng Steed. Tapos dito sa kabila, yung brake caliper niya. This is the original brake caliper. Ni-repair din natin kasi sirang-sira, and gladly may parts pa tayong na-order na naging okay siya. And then dito tayo sa radiator. Brand new yung radiator niya. Ayan. And then radiator cover. And dito naman, ito yung coolant reservoir niya. Jack Daniels na bottle. Pati yung footrest ni-repair pero di na kaya, so ni-replace natin, minodify natin. Ayan. Then custom na exhaust system, exhaust pipe. Dito naman sa engine, yung mga chrome niya, pinare-chrome natin to restore it to its original state, and then yung block, tsaka yung main crankcase niya, pininturahan na din natin ng black. Ayan. And then dito sa carb naman, kinabitan natin ng 32mm racing carb flat type. Ayan, tapos kinonvert natin into single carb. Kasi wala na, di talaga kaya yung original na 2 carburetors. Ayaw talaga tumono. So, we found this solution, and gladly, naging okay ang lahat pag-convert natin into single carb. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa side cover. This side cover is a custom aluminum side cover. So, welded tong parts na to. And paint job, logo natin, pin stripping. Ayan. Signal lights. Ayan, same sa harapan. Then dito naman sa fender. Ayan, hand-shaped aluminum fender with custom bracket, pin stripping. Ayan. Yung brake system niya sa likuran, ni-replace and ni-restore na rin natin lahat. So good as brand new lahat. Pati yung chain, brand new. Then yung susian niya dito, ni-replace na din natin kasi sira na at wala na yung unang susian. So brand new na to, and yung susi niya brand new na din. Yan. Then yung plate number niya, ito. Side mounted na. Ayan. So, if you're wondering, parang simple lang tignan yung build, but if you've seen the before photo, this is the photo. Ayan. And yung photo na yan is, yan yung time na before siya natambak. We forgot to take a photo paghati dito sa bike. So, anyways, yung chassis niya is, I don't know anong pintura ginamit, pero ang hirap tanggalin, tapos may texture. So, we scrape it to metal. So, bare metal lahat. Tapos, ni-repaint lahat. Parts. All the parts. Tinanggal lahat. Just to achieve this build. Then, nga pala, itong side mirror is from Harley. So, that's a Harley side mirror. Nabit natin. Kinostom lang natin yung bracket. Yan. Tapos, as you can see here, yung mga wiring niya, naka-wrap na lahat. Same as the Harley. Sa nakita ko kasi sa mga bikes ng Harley, yung mga wirings nila, they took a good eye for a detail. So, nirap nila yung lahat ng wiring. So, same as us, and same sa lahat ng mga build na ginagawa natin, nirarap talaga natin yung wires for safety. Yan. And this bike is totally rewired kasi wala na yung mga wiring harness. Wala na lahat. So, yeah. So, dito tayo sa favorite part natin, which is yung sound check. Ito yung bike. Let's fire it up. So, yan yung idle niya. And pag i-broom-broom naman, ayun mga kalagarahe, we hope you like our vlog and our build na Honda Steed 400 Street Fat Bob. So, ayun, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please visit our Facebook page for more info.